In a remarkable display of skill and efficiency, a Chinese blacksmith expertly repaired a broken bulldozer hydraulic hand within just a few hours. Utilizing a combination of traditional forging techniques and modern mechanical knowledge, the blacksmith meticulously assessed the damage, fabricated replacement components, and restored the hydraulic system to full functionality. His precision welding, careful alignment, and thorough testing ensured the bulldozer was operational with minimal downtime. This swift and professional repair not only highlights the blacksmith's technical expertise, but also underscores the importance of adaptable craftsmanship in heavy machinery maintenance. The cost-effective and timely solution reinforced the value of skilled tradesmen in industrial operations.